Hello, this is Harsh and you are very welcome in my channel. Today I will show you how to download NetBeans with JDK and I will discuss data types in Java deeply. So let's begin. First of all, you open any of your browser. Then search NetBeans with JDK. Then click on the first URL. Then accept license agreement, and if you have Linux, Mac OS or Windows, you can click on the appropriate download button. I have downloaded it before, so I will not download it once again. Then after installing the setup of NetBeans, the NetBeans icon will show on your desktop screen. Now click the NetBeans icon and open it. It will take some time to open. Now my NetBeans is opened. Below you can see that some projects are being loaded, so you wait for the projects to load completely. Now you can see that all the projects are loaded. Now after the projects are loaded, you click on the above orange icon of new project, then select Java application and then click next button. Then you have to give here a name for your project. Here I am giving my Java project 1. I have written project 1 because I have already made a project named my Java project, and then click on the finish button. After you click the finish button, it will open a new project for you. Now let's discuss data types. Data types means that if we give something to anyone, then we have to explain the person that how to use that thing. Similarly, if we give computer a value, for example C, then we have to explain the computer that which type of data it is. This is the main meaning of data type. Now let's see the two types of data types. The two types of data types are primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Now let's see primitive data types more deeply. Primitive data types has two types, first boolean and second numeric. In boolean is divided in one thing, boolean, and the boolean do not have a fixed range since it has only two values, true and false. And second is numeric. Numeric is divided in character and integral. Then character is further divided in char. Char is of 2 bytes and its range is from 0 to 65536. Then integral is divided in two more types, integer and floating point. In integer is divided in byte, short, int and long. Byte is of 1 byte and its range is from -128 to 127. Short is of 2 bytes and its range is from -3768 to 32767. Then int is of 4 bytes and its range is from -21474 83648 to 21474 83647. And long is of 8 bytes and its range is from -92233720 36854 775808 to 922337203 4775807. Then floating point is divided in float and double. Float is of 4 bytes and its range is from 1.40239846 into 10 to the power -45 to 3.40282347 into 10 to the power 38. And double is of 8 bytes and its range is from 4.9406564584124654 into 10 to the power -324 to 1.7976931348623157 into 10 to the power 308. Now let's discuss non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types do not have a fixed range, and this is the main difference between primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Some examples of non-primitive data types are string, array, class, etc. Now let's see how we use data type. So to use data type, first we will write the name of data type, then a variable, and then we will put equal to sign, and then the type of data. For example, here it is int, so we will write integer like 10 and then put a semicolon. This is a syntax of how to write the data type. And here see if I am writing int a is equal to 10, so it is not showing any error. And if I will print this, println a, then you see the output. It has printed 10. Now you might be thinking that what is this system.out.println? So system.out.println is a function which helps us to print whatever we want. Like you see, if I am writing here system.out.println and in double quotes hello world, and then print this, so it will print hello world. Whatever we print in whatever we want to print in system.out.println, we write it in double quotes. But if we have we have the value of what we have to print, like a is equal to 10, so we will not use double quotes. Another way of using data type is, first we will describe int I, and then we can later put the value to I, like 4. And then if I will print I, now you see the output, it has printed 4. So we use system.out.println for printing purpose. Now you might be thinking that what is this a or what is this I? So we call this a or I a variable. A variable is a container which stores the data value. Like we stored water in a bucket, we can store the data values in variable. So we can say that a variable is a container which stores value of a particular data type. Now you might be thinking that what is this double slash and why this do not get printed in the output, and here primitive data type, non-primitive data type, why this did not get printed. So the answer is that I have comment out this one. To comment out, we have 3 ways. First, we will write whatever we want, like this line I want to comment out. Then I can put double slash in front of this. Or if I have written slash star and then written whatever we want, it will automatically put star slash in the end, and whatever in this is in this slash star and star slash will be commented out. And the third way is, if we write anything like Harsh, and then second boy, and then I will select whole with my mouse, and then I will press Ctrl plus slash, then both lines will be commented out. Now you see that int's range is from -214748364 to 214748367. So if we will write int s is equal to, and then I will write 8, and then so it will throw an error. It is showing that integer number is too large. And if we will write here 7, so it will not throw any error or exception, because it is in the range of integer. So we cannot exceed the range of a primitive data type. But in a non-primitive data type like string, I I is already used string O is equal to, and we will write as long as we want. It do not have any value since it is a non-primitive data type. And then if we will print O, then so it will, in the output it will be printed whatever we have written in this. So you should always remember that when we write anything in char, like char p is equal to c, so it will throw error because char should be always in single inverted comma. Now it will not throw any error, and we can print if we will print p, then it will automatically print c. In this, the most important thing to remember is that we have to always, if we write anything in char, then it should be in single inverted comma, and if we write anything in string, so it should be in double inverted comma. Now you see that I am writing here string I, and then I am trying to, sorry, I is already defined string L, and then I am trying to print this. Print L, and then I am writing semicolon, so it is throwing error. It is saying that variable I is not a variable L is not initialized. So in NetBeans we have a feature that we can click on this bulb icon and we can initialize variable I. Since string's default value is null, it is not written in double inverted comma, and if we will print L, then no exception or error will occur and it will automatically print null. Similarly, in char, I have written that char b is equal to 0, and then I have tried to print b. Now you see the output. It will not throw any error or exception, even though 0 is not written in single inverted comma, because 0 is the default value of char, and if we will write 0 in single inverted comma, then also no error or exception will occur and it will automatically print 0. So if we do not write single inverted comma, then it will leave a space for 0, and in string, if we do not write in null in double inverted comma, then also it will print null. Here I have given all the default values of primitive data types. The default value of boolean is false, char 0, int 0, byte 0, short 0, long 0, float 0.0f, and double 0.0. We have to always remember then that whenever we write float, we have to always write f in last, and if we will not write f, then automatically the compiler will add f and it will print 8.0 and not 8, because with float and double always decimal is used. Now I hope that you have clearly understood data types, and if you have any problem regarding data types, you can ask me in the comment section. I will provide this code in the description. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.